Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to set up and manage multi-floor maps on V50 Ultra. To do it, you should begin by clicking on the map editing button. Then you should find multi-floor map management. Now, since my house type is set to single floor, I only have one map. But if you click on that house type and set it to multi-floor, then you can click on OK. Now you can find map switching option and you can choose whether you want it to intelligently recognize which floor it's on, which is I think a better option, or manual switching. I'll leave it on intelligent recognition. Then I can click on create a new map, move the robot manually to the other floor and start mapping. Remember that you'll need to manually move the robot between the floors because of course it can't move on stairs, and I wouldn't recommend moving the charging base with the robot. Make sure to keep the charging base in a fixed position so the robot won't have any problems finding it later. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.